Do you lose stuff? Are you having trouble finding your cat?
Or dog.
Or dog? AirTag. 4-pack. These are so awesome.
Yeah.
Our son, he has one on his keys for his car. And when did the battery run out?
Just this week. I think it lasted a year. Maybe a little, excuse me, a little over a year. And we have lost our cat.
Oh, I feel like, look at this. It's got a little pull tab.
And have been able to find our cat with AirTags because all of our animals have them.
Yes, all of our animals have AirTags.
They actually make little, we'll show you little things that attach to their collar that hold the actual AirTag.
And this is a
super
4-pack.
easy to activate too.
And we are going to put these, we're going on a trip, we're going to put these in our luggage. You could put them in a jacket that, I work with someone, he loses his jackets. I said, you need to put an AirTag in there. Put an AirTag in there and you won't lose your stuff. Your keys, especially
I even
your
like
pets.
somebody that put it in their baby's diaper bag.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
That's
it's
a great
endless
idea.
amount of things you could use these for.
Put them on your baby. I mean, anything, or your kids' backpacks. There is so many uses for this. Put them, if you can't find your vehicle, put them in your vehicle.
Yeah, if you're at Walmart, you come out and you're like, I don't know where I parked. It'll tell you if you're getting closer.
Yes.
It's really cool.
So, do you have your phone to show? And can you push screen record? Screen record before you... And just kind of... So, you can't show everything, but go ahead and put it on Trixie.
Find. Should I show them what it's doing?
Yeah, you're screen recording.
Okay.
So we're going to go, and I'm going to kind of show you.
Connected signal is weak. Try moving to a different location.
Okay.
Now let's go outside.
But it tells us she is here, 27 feet.
Item is moving. And it's showing us what direction to go.
Found her. There she is. And if you can see, there's her little
Hers
collar.
is black.
And it's small enough to put on a cat.
Yeah. It doesn't bother her at all.
So it actually will play a sound too.
Yeah, it's vibrating right now. It's making a sound. So if you bring it up here, you can hear it. I don't know if they can hear that or not.
Yeah, these are awesome. They're cheap. And these things last. They last a good amount of time. Our son's on his car was over a year.
Mm-hmm. And it's just a watch battery.
Yeah, it's a 2032, I believe. And that is very common, a very good size. And I was wanting to do a video about that, but he had already changed it.
Yeah, it notified him on his phone.
And
so
he did it very quickly. So these are just awesome. I was probably holding that upside down. But there's a look at them. 4-pack, I believe. We'll show the price. I think it was $79. They're usually around 20 bucks a piece. Just a great deal. $20. We've got a trailer. We've got them on. His keys. Now, these key fobs are getting really expensive.
Mm-hmm.
I think his key fob for his car is like $400, $500. This is an easy investment. They're weatherproof. I don't know how good weatherproof, but they're really good. People use them to track their luggage. That's what we're going to do.
And if you're like at an amusement park and you have a stroller, put it on your stroller.
Yes.
Somebody takes the wrong stroller, they think it's theirs.
Yeah.
Go on a scavenger hunt for your stroller.
or if you have older kids, track them with that. Get them a necklace. They have everything you can imagine, wristband, everything. You can put these on your kids. Where, you know, you're going to a place where they're not going to probably have their cell phones if you're at a water park. You can be tracking them around the freaking water park. And what is also great about these is they go off of every Apple device.
So it doesn't have to just be yours.
It's Bluetooth. So every device out there can be connected.
They just need the signal from that
They
phone.
just need the signal. And that's what's good about these compared to everything else. If someone's got an Apple device and they're near one of these, and it'll actually give you warnings too. If someone is trying to track you and it's not your AirTag, I like it and I don't like it because I would love to see what Trixie's doing.
And I'll tell you, when I take my dog to the groomer, she still has it on when she goes. And when I leave the groomer, when I get down the road, it says, "You've left Sashi behind."
Oh my gosh. That is awesome. I was just thinking.
Yeah. So it'll tell you. So my mom forgot her CPAP machine in a hotel.
CPAP. You know, I have
restaurant.
one of those too, and they are expensive. And I'm going to put one of these in my CPAP bag. I mean, that's a great idea.
Yeah. So anything you can imagine that you want to keep track of.
And like I was saying, even if it's like a jacket, or if you get like a Louis Vuitton purse, put one of these in your purse, just your regular purse. It's so cheap. It's so easy. They last a long time. It's just a great device. And I actually found out that if you have Android, you can use these too. You just have to set them up through an Apple device. You can actually use these with Android, but you have to set them up through Apple. So if you have an iPad, whatever.
Your stomach is making really weird noises.
I know, I haven't ate. Okay. I just want to take a picture of this.
We got it in the video still.
Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
I'll catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye. I feel like that's the only face I know how to make.
Who cares? That's what all those other ones, they just take the same photo.